Want to animate like a pro in Filmora X using keyframes? This video is for you. Start by dragging your video into the timeline. Then, double-click on the clip and go to the Animation tab. You'll see two options, Preset and Customize. In the Preset tab, you can apply ready-made animations like Fade In, Fade Out, Pause, Slide Right, Slide Up, Vortex In, Vortex Out, Zoom In, and Zoom Out. Perfect for quick effects. To create your own animation, switch to the Customize tab. Move the playhead to your desired time. After that, change the values of scale. After that, change the values of position X and position Y. And Filmora will animate between those points. When you're done, preview your animation